Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin. I have added up everything from this Salvage pallet. Believe it or not, this is all I have to throw away from a Salvage pallet. Check it out. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is a new liquidator of mine. His name is Karz Reselling. I'll put the link in the description below. But I bought a Salvage pallet, and it was the smallest Salvage pallet I bought from him. I've actually got two more that I'll be opening. If you look, this one and this one. So I'll give you a sneak peek about what's in some of these right at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But this one I bought, I loved. Sven was in it, and he's in good condition. Still works. So I'm going to give you the breakdown of everything that I think I can make in the condition that it currently is. So Sven, I think they're going for around $90 brand new. So we're going to sell him for around $50 on Facebook Marketplace. Salvage pallet, you're not going to be able to sell as much on Amazon, but believe it or not, there's some things I can sell on Amazon. These shelves we looked up, we do have all the pieces. Originally, they're going for $118 for this size of shelf. All the pieces are there. So on Facebook Marketplace, I'm going to sell this for $50. Then I've got these small lamp shades. They're going for about $15 brand new online each. And so I'm going to sell the pair for $15 just to get it moving. And then the same thing, big shade, they're going for $30 a piece. So I'm going to sell both of them for $30 for the pair. So I'm basically doing 50% off just to get them moving. Sorry, I left my coffee here. That is my coffee, not for sale. All right, then I've got my blood pressure cuff. The packaging is all beat up, but believe it or not, it's going for $50. So on eBay in used condition, I can make $35 on that one. Then I've got all my totes down here, these really big totes. I did not realize when I pulled them out, these actually have wheels on them, which make them a little bit better. But what I'm going to do is get about $10 a piece out of them just because they don't have the lids. I only have one lid. So I figured that's way underpriced of what they normally cost. So I'm going to make $30 just on the totes on Facebook. And then I've got this airbed here. I wanted to show you this on the airbed. So I told you on the first video, if you haven't seen the unboxing, go ahead and check it out. I opened this up. The only reason this was put in salvage, I believe, is because the damage to the box. This has never been out of the case. It's all still, like, even the tie still looks like store tied, and it's still in the packaging. And so I actually found that airbed I can sell used on Amazon. They're actually only listed as used. So I would say sell this used like new and then give the box description and let them know that there's damage on the box, but that it's never been used. So used on Amazon, $75 still for this, which is amazing. Then blankets. Now these are Threshold brand. They're really nice blankets. They're going to be on Hooked on Pickin. I'm going to, if I don't have them listed yet, just contact me. I'm going to sell them for about basically $5 a piece. And you saw how huge they were in the first video. They're enormous, super soft, not dirty. They'll be poly bagged and protected. So total, I have 7 different ones. I do have a big Batman one that if you haven't seen the first video, check it out. So $35 I'm going to make off all of the blankets. Then I've got this quilt, which is awesome. It's a whole quilt set, and I believe I can make $20 off the quilt. Then I've got these Nerf guns. Both of these I can sell on eBay for $10 a piece for a total of $20 on the Nerf guns. Then I've got, so this is all going to get donated. This Epsom salt's going to get thrown away, but I didn't want to move it because it's, as you can see, spilling everywhere. But this is all going to get donated, not the opened ones, but all of this stuff will be donated to my local food pantry, which is definitely a needed thing. And as I said at the beginning, this is the only trash that is unsellable that I pulled out of the Salvage pallet, which is amazing to me. So those are really the only things that are just worthless. If I come over here, I actually have a Google Home Mini that is working. As you can see, the lights are actually blinking on and off. Well, it was a minute ago. There it goes. That it actually is in working condition. $20 on that. Without the box, I can make $20. And then, oh, I missed it. Over here, sorry, I went past them. The beach towels I have here, $5 a piece. They're brand new condition with the tags on them. So I can get $5 a piece. They originally were selling for 10, but I'm going to just sell them for 5 so I can get them gone. Maybe at a garage sale, maybe on Hooked on Pickin. And then I've got, this was a cool find. So I found this one without a box, but it's brand new, still works. If you watch the first video, I actually plug it in and it does blow, hot, cold, high, low, all the settings. And then this one came with the box, but it's been used. You can see a little bit of hair in it, so I'll definitely clean it up. So this one will be sold used. I'll probably put this in the regular box and sell it new. I can sell the new one for $30. I think like new. Oh yeah, like new, sorry, because the box has been open, like new, you're right. The cool thing about this, sales rank of 3. On Amazon, which means as soon as I list it, it's going to be sold before it even hits the warehouse. It'll sell immediately, even in like new used condition. $30 for that one. This one will be sold just regular used without box, $15. Believe it or not, see this guy? This little robot? Brand new, they're selling for $70. I figure because of the box condition, we'll list it as used. We'll repackage it, so make sure nothing gets broken, make sure everything works, and I'm going to make $40 on that, which is shocking for this tiny little thing. I would have thought, throw it away, it's worthless, but evidently it's not. And then I've got my bubble blower. I can make about $5 in this condition on that. And then believe it or not, I looked on eBay, and I had all these hangers, and after I counted them all up, I can make about 40, a set of 40, and I can sell them conservatively for about $20 for a set of 40 plastic hangers on eBay, which is shocking. I would have never thought it. So think outside the box, think outside the pallet. You can definitely sell a lot of stuff. And so that brings me to a total of $500 after I sell everything on this pallet, which is awesome. So I actually paid about $400 for it, and that's delivered. All 3 of them were delivered for 1 delivery charge. And so it ended up being, I think, a really good deal. I made maybe a little less than $400 is what I paid after you combine the shipping. But they were delivered right to my door from a local guy. And then these are the other 2 that I will be unboxing. And so, you know, we've got some fun things in here, like this guy. And now this salvage sticker I've seen on stuff that I've got from other liquidators before. This simply means that the store doesn't want it. But anyway, this one looks like it's a little bit broken. But we've got some other stuff in here that's in good shape. What's this guy? Aw, look at it. It looks like it's mechanical. But anyway, if you want to see what's in these boxes, now this is the reason I bought this one. This Graco height chair has never been opened. And we've got a lot of other fun things. Look at the number of things in here. Electric wax warmer. That doesn't even look broken. So I've got a lot better options in this one. I really wanted to pick that first one just because these 2 are very full. That one wasn't as full. Can I actually make more money on the ones that aren't as full? I found the Sven, which is awesome. I definitely know I'll find some takers on Facebook Marketplace, especially because it's Christmas time. All right, so I spent $400 on the least amount of items in this pallet, okay? Look at these other 2. They're amazing. I made $500 on the itty bitty one, like the tiny pallet that I knew wasn't going to have a lot of stuff. So paid $400, made $500. I made $100 already in profit off the small pallets. Can you imagine what's going to be in here? I guarantee you I'll be positive money on this. So we've got awesome things like this fun unicorn, and I see some things that, yes, are in salvage condition, but good night. All the stuff that I could sell that was, I thought, unsellable, I can sell. You know, so I'm really excited about that. I've got a lot of stuff in here. I'm just really excited to start digging in. But probably 2 hours worth of work. I made $100 already. How many of you would like to say you make $50 an hour on a salvage pallet? So salvage, you got to think outside the box and be able to sell the things. I was pleasantly surprised in what I could sell in used condition. So think about it. Check out the link in the description in the website and see if you can come up with one where you can make profit, because I definitely did here. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.